How to sign into your YouTube TV account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply go to your TV's menu, and over there you will be able to find two options. The first one is YouTube, the other one is YouTube TV. Simply open YouTube TV, and after that you will be able to find the option of sign in. Just simply sign in, and after that it would ask you to provide or select your Google email. Just select your email which you used while signing up for your account, and this way you would be required to give the password for your email address which you just used. And after providing the information like your email and password, you will be able to log in, and after logging into your account, this is how it will appear. And then you can just simply open up any channel and watch it up, and this is how you sign up on YouTube TV. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.